Three, two, one, travel. Hello, amigos. Today we're going to talk about what do you have with you when you are sitting in your airplane going to destination, especially when you're traveling in a very, very long flight, let's say 8 to 9 hours. First, for your comfort, depending on where in the plane you're sitting, you need to make sure that what you are packing is doable if you are going to put things under the seat or in the bins in the upper compartments. The most important thing I want to talk to you today is about what's useful for you when you're sitting down. So you don't have to be like those people that are like looking at all over the place in all their luggage and then put it up and put it down, etc. Anyway, you could be the relaxed person sitting there all comfortable and waiting for your service to come to your seat. What do I have usually with me? I'm always keeping my handy dandy pouch, the one that I give to my customers, only to them. My pouch is the perfect pouch, and I do have a video, I'm going to link it, exactly why is the perfect pouch. But the point to have with you in the plane is just only your must needs. One thing that I want to share today is something that I always keep is this. It could be in any container. I transfer here, but what I have, it's a hydration. Hydration while you are in a plane, 8-9 hours, play a toll in your skin, your dryness. So try to stay moisturized with something. I recommend to get something that is absolutely 0 scent. You don't want to be that type of passenger that is sending this very heavy scent when you don't need. People could be allergic, so it has to be unscented, but you need to try to continue moisturizing your skin. The other thing that is very important to have is if you sleep in a plane, good for you, but it's hard to sleep the entire 9 hours. So either you use the entertainment on board, or if you're gonna bring something, make sure if you're bringing something to hear, your phone or read or Audible, any of your book, try to get the cords that you're gonna hold your ear pods, because once you're asleep, it's very easy to lose them. I used to travel with a big Bose, amazing noise cancellation, but nowadays there's a lot of smaller versions that are inside that you could have a noise cancellation as well. They're not as great as the big ones, but honestly, to me, I got a little tired to carry the big, especially because you cannot lean. If you're gonna lean in each side, that is just too heavy. There are Boses small that you could use, and then just bring in all your cables is the best thing to, stay entertain is not the word, but to stay active. If you're up, you want to do something productive. If you're like me, you could be working, you could be reading, filing, you can be doing a lot of things. If you sleep, good for you, that's the best thing to do, rest. But if you don't, try to keep with you what's the best thing to have, that part for your comfort. But of course, in your pouch, you need to have your essentials, your money, your medicine, your passport, your power bank. Remember that you cannot pack that. It has to be with you. And there's a lot of new regulations on the power bank as well that you could check on our website for more information. But definitely have with you stuff that is you're not gonna need it, something that is not a way. If you're like me, very sure, I can't even reach the bin compartment. So there's not even a chance for me to reach anything that I need. The planes are definitely too big for me, and I can really step on the people to get it, right? So don't forget, bring moisturizer, bring some hydration, because inside the airplane for 9 hours, 8-9 hours, it is pretty hard. Then have your documents with you in your pouch that you can feel it. You still have it in your skin and it's still comfortable for you. This pouch is not big, so try to have that, because the rest you have to put it away. All right, having a copy of your passport, having your wallet with your documents and your power bank, Those are my essentials. I don't need anything else when I'm in the plane. All right? Goodbye, amigos.